what's going on, everybody? This is Matt from ABICOR BINZEL. I want to show you how to change out the rear connect here on your Delta MiG. Here's the rear housing. You see this little plug right here? Take that out. Then take your hex wrench. There'll be a little set screw that's exposed. Turn it, loosen up that Miller connect that we have in here right now. Slide it out. Now let's say you want to switch out from a Miller connect to a Tweco. Here's a Tweco connect. Slide it right in. Take that same hex wrench, tighten it up, and then there you go. You're ready to plug this into your Tweco or your Hobart machine. Now let's say you have another machine, one with the Gyro connect, something that's a little less common or a little more difficult to change out typically. Let's loosen up this Tweco connect. Here's the Gyro back end. Stick in the Gyro, take that hex wrench, tighten it up. Now with the Gyro, typically you have that electrical connect that you can simply just plug in like so. Plug it into your Gyro Connect machine and you're ready to weld. If you want to check out more Delta product features, visit our YouTube channel, or if you want to try the Delta app for yourself, contact your distributor or contact a local ABICOR BINZEL sales rep. This is Matt from ABICOR BINZEL. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day.